Hi everyone and welcome to CodingZest. Today in this video I will show you how you can install Flutter on your Mac OS machine. So first of all we will check for Flutter. Let me run this command, and as you can see Flutter not found. Okay, let me clear this and go to your browser and simply search for download Flutter. Okay, and open this first website, which is the official Flutter documentation website, and scroll down here. We have two methods, like install with VS Code and install manually. I will show you how you can install manually, and it's a very easy way. Okay, just click on it and select the Mac here, and these are the software you need, like install the Xcode and command line tools and set up an editor and IDE. So I have already the Xcode installed and the IDE, Android Studio and VS Code. Okay, so come down here. As you can see, we have two variants, like here, one for Apple Silicon and one for Intel. So if you have Apple Silicon, then you can download this one, and if you have a MacBook with Intel chip, so you can download this one. I already downloaded this one, and you just need to click on this, and this is 1.9 GB file. Okay, it is already downloaded. Now you can read this if you want, but I will show you a simplest way to do this. What we do, this is our Flutter, and it is right now in our downloads. Okay, we just need to copy it, and we will go here, go to your home. I already added this folder here. If you want, you can add it here, or if you want a shortcut for this, so the shortcut is shift command and H. So if I copy this, shift command and H, I will navigate to the home folder. Okay, I will just simply paste it here. Okay, and when paste it here, I will just simply unzip inside my home folder. Okay, it's done, and I will just simply delete this one. Now what we will do, after this, add Flutter to your path. And why this? Because we need to add the Flutter in our path, so we can use the Flutter and our command line tools in our terminal or IDEs. But if I check, if I run for Flutter, though Flutter is not found, even though we have put this in our home folder, but the path is not set yet. To set the path, we just come down here. As you can see, we need to run this command, export path to SDK bin and path. Okay, so I will just simply copy this one. I will simply copy this one and I will paste it here. Okay, I just need to remove this development. And if you create a folder for Flutter in your home folder, like here you create a folder development, and inside this you put your Flutter folder, this Flutter folder, then you need to add it here. Okay, but if you put your Flutter folder here in your home folder, then you don't need to add the development or another folder name here. So what we will do, just simply hit enter, and it will add our Flutter in our path. If I run it, so as you can see, the Flutter is working now. And if I check the Flutter version, so we not found, I think it's a Flutter version, I think, yes. So the Flutter and dev tools and everything is installed, and the path is selected, path is configured. Okay, so if I run which Flutter, so it shows the path to our Flutter folder. Okay, now what we will do, we will run for Flutter doctor, and we will see if we have any issue here, then we can fix it. Okay, right now I don't have any issue here, but if you got any issue, it will show here. Mostly we got an issue for Android toolchain. for the command lines tool, and it will show a command here, like it will become red and cross, and it will show a command. Then you just need to run that command, or you need to go to the Android Studio, to the SDK manager, and install that command line tools. And if you are getting any issue for Coca codes, so you can install it by using homebrew in your Mac OS machine. Right now I have already these things in my MacBook, so I didn't get any issue. I will just simply clear it, and if you go to the Android Studio, open Android Studio, and from here we need to add the Flutter plugins. Okay, so I will go to the marketplace, I will search for Flutter, and I will just simply click on install. It will install Flutter plugin on my Android Studio, and I will just simply restart my IDE, restart, and here as you can see, new Flutter project. If I click on this, so as you can see here, we have the SDK path here. If you are installing like for the first time, so this portion will be empty, so you just need to add your SDK, Flutter SDK path, and from where you can get it, go to the terminal and search for which Flutter, so you can get it from here. So you just need to copy this one, like till this Flutter, simply copy this and paste it here. Okay, and now if I go next, and I will just simply type first Flutter app. Okay, and let me deselect this. This is just a testing project to show you. This project file already exists. Okay, I have already this one, Flutter app 2. Okay, and I will create it. Then it will create a Flutter project, and we can run it from here. As you can see, our Flutter is configured, and in the next video I will show you how you can configure the Flutter in your VS Code. Okay, that's it for this video, and if you like this video, please share this with your friends, and don't forget to like this video. And if you have any type of question regarding this Flutter setup in Mac OS, you can ask me in the comment section. I will surely answer.